Welcome to Sukhera Motors, Driving Skills and Tips. 1. Defensive driving. Anticipate others' actions, maintain a safe following distance, and be prepared to react. 2. Speed limits. Obey posted speed limits, and adjust your speed according to road conditions. 3. Right-hand traffic. Drive on the right side of the road and yield to others when necessary. 4. Intersections. Come to a complete stop at stop signs and red lights, and yield to pedestrians and other vehicles. 1. Lane changes. Check your mirrors, signal, and yield to others when changing lanes. 2. Turns. Use turn signals and yield to others when turning. 3. Merging. Match your speed to the traffic you're merging into and yield to others if necessary. 4. Parking. Follow parking signs and regulations, and park in a safe and considerate manner. Emergency procedures. Know what to do in case of a breakdown, flat tire, or other emergency. 6. Distracted driving. Avoid using your phone or other distractions while driving. 7. Weather conditions. Adjust your driving to accommodate rain, snow, fog, or other weather conditions. 8. Road signs and markings. Understand and obey all road signs and markings. 9. Passenger safety. Ensure all passengers are wearing seatbelts and children are in appropriate car seats. 10. Vehicle maintenance. Regularly maintain your vehicle to ensure safety and efficiency. Additionally, consider using your headlights in low light conditions, being aware of pedestrians, bicyclists, and motorcyclists, keeping a safe distance from large trucks, being prepared for construction zones, using your turn signals consistently, respecting other drivers and road users. Remember, driving in the USA requires attention to rules, regulations, and safety considerations. Stay safe on the roads. Would you like me to expand on any of these points? Please like and subscribe. Thanks.